up, bro? Dude, thought you were gonna play another video.
Yeah, I'll do it later.
Yeah, the update.
Gonna play here.
Well, do it now, bro.
Fine, I'll do it now.
Hey guys, what's up? Today is gonna be channel update number 1. Now, today's channel update is gonna be short, but will be big, and I will announce a new series. Now, one is the Photoshop time-lapse, which I had been videos for JD the Great and Gaming Alvin 04. Sub to them if you want for gaming stuff. And if you want one, then follow me at Twitter. That is at Johan is underscore IT. Here you can see. Now, if you want one, then tweet me on Twitter and let's discuss this on DM. And another series is Photoshop tutorial. Now, if I have no request for Photoshop time lapses, then I will be posting Photoshop tutorials every week. And besides that, I will post reviews, hands-on or other things. So I will have 2 videos every week. So I hope I will get 100 subs, and I'll see you on the next video. Bye.